All right, I'm going to work on this this Poland 361. Haven't done anything with it in a while, so it hasn't started. Um, and I'm just now getting around to it, getting it clean. And this was really one of the first saws that I ever worked on. Um, and it was years ago. I don't even know I had an air compressor back then. So um, I do remember having to do something with the points back then. So first off, I don't think I'm getting a spark. Um, like I said, it's not starting. So I'm going to try to do this and check. I'll get shocked that way. I might do it this way and see. No, I think I'll do it. And this is a Champion CJ8. I generally don't like to do that there because it might ignite some gas, so just thinking better about it. It would be grounded here. It is on. I would probably be getting shocked right now. Just checking to make sure I don't have the ignition switched around. Okay, so I'm definitely not getting a spark. Just to be sure it's not the spark plug, I'll try. I think I've got one around here. This isn't it, but it will give me a spark if it for sure works. No sparks, so we definitely need to get in there and do some work on the points and or the points. So I will pause it. All right, doing a little bit of inspection here. Let me get this light off. Put this camera on. Oh. Okay. All right. I was able to get that back. This is just from an inexperience when I was doing this before. I'm gonna have to go and check on the placement of that. That seems to be really close. The coil. I'm gonna be taking that off and then popping that out. So I think that's probably going to be a 9/16. All right, I will pause it. Alrighty, it is a 9/16. Gonna be reverse, regular reverse. Now the great thing would be if this just decides to come up, but a lot of times they don't. I'm just gonna check and see if we get anything just with a little nudge. If you're not careful, you can really mess things up with this part here. Now, what I'm gonna do, this is what I've learned through experience. I'm gonna get something, this probably won't be good. I'm gonna put it on my lap, just so that I don't break any of the aluminum. And probably should have had all this stuff together. It'd be good if you empty out the gas so it doesn't spill on you. An awl would be great, but I can't find mine. Surprise, surprise. Let's see. And you want to have something, I don't know if the camera's even showing it right now. Really don't like using that screwdriver because it doesn't fit in there good. I don't want to mess that shape up. I'm going to pause that and get the stuff I need.